Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Dove. This is a #1 dermatology recommended deep moisture body wash. It is a 24-hour renewing micro moisture and is supposed to nourish the driest of skins. As you can see here, the bottle is 30.6 fluid ounces or 905 milliliters. It is a quite big bottle, and I really like that it is a pump like you would see a hair conditioner or a shampoo be, which makes dispensing it so much easier. I really like the texture and the smell that this particular body wash gives off, and I definitely recommend it. I've been using Dove for years and I really like all of their products. They make my skin feel so nice but still super clean. I definitely recommend this for anyone. Go try it out, especially if you have dry skin and in winter time. This is a lifesaver so your skin won't crack. 10 out of 10.